Welcome to Dan ARG YouTube. This our Edo sister. They give warning to people. He say get the new scammer wey dey for Benin now, where they carry person go market, go take do shopping. He say her sister don't fall for this scammer hand. Make I leave you now, make you hear how her sister take fall for this scammer hand. Enjoy the video.
Hello everybody, I greet everybody in the house. I bring some kind message come for now. Waiting I see yesterday still shock me. The thing surprised me. A different way now these people say they manipulate. So my sister, where they do POS for my shop. So yesterday I go make my hair. Now they call they tell me say they bring a contract for am. Say you want follow them go market, go buy the things where you want to cook because na catering school now that my sister go. I say cause say okay, now because say no problem. The person come, use motor take carry and come out. They can't go Mission Road. He say when they reach Mission Road, say they buy groundnut oil 4 gallon, 25 liters. Then he buy 4 bag of rice. He do transfer give them for Mission Road. He said so. He said he get when he fed teach and work. Now he connect am to this boy. He said the boy come from abroad. Say his papa die. According to the story, say his papa die. Say he want to do his papa burial. So may this his girlfriend find person wey sabi dey cook. Now he can't connect am with my sister. So now my sister can say no problem. Now my sister take follow they go market. See when they come reach market now they call they buy something. So lucky he POS bag and the money he keep am. Now be the God way just save am. He keep am for store before she come on. Now lay phone now she carry. He said so. Say when they come reach there market, he say he can't give the girl where he connect am to this boy where papa die so. He can't give am his phone. May he help am hold am. He say he can't give am the phone. He say they don't buy things finish. Even the motor where even carry them, the man na cab. Now the boy carry my sister. No be the boy motor. So now my brother and my sister mona hear story for his side story. This life is full of wickedness. He said my sister say he can't give the girl the phone. He said then they don't buy this finish. Then the boy cut and say make they go price spices. Say na 2 cow of meat. Na 2 cow now he want key. So spices where he go contain that where he go carry the 2 cow. Make they price them. He said so they can the price them. He said so much. I said now the boy say person just use body to hit am, which means the boy when papa die we want to do better when they follow go market. Say person just use body to hit am for market, which is for Mission Road. Say you be like say oh your body just dey shake. Maybe they don't use magic take carry a prick come out, the prick don't disappear. He want go inside motor, that the motor where he carry, meaning the cabman motor, make he go check his body well. Meanwhile, make the cabman, my sister plus that his girlfriend, make that they price the spices. Making use wheelbarrow take carry the bag of rice and the groundnut oils. Make he carry and go inside motor. He can't ask the cabman say, cabman oh, according to the story when my sister tell me yesterday, because the thing weak me. Cabman, should be your boot open. Now the cabman say yes, he open. Meaning they pack their motor for Urok Pata or for Ring Road. He said so. He said now they come, the boy can't come out. They use 2 wheelbarrow to carry the groundnut oil and the 4 bag of rice, the 4 bag of the 4 gallon of groundnut oil. So now so they can't say the boy can't come out. He says so when they can't reach there, they wait. It don't pass 30 minutes, don't pass 40 minutes. Almost going to 1 hour. So now the boy, now the cabman say, this boy no come again. And what they come they happen? We say the number where he give the cabman. He said so the cabman now. He said they call the boy number now busy. Now the cabman say me no worry, may he go inside car, may go look what they happen. As the boy reach there, the boy not see the boy when papa die. He not put the bag of rice for inside motor. Say Jesus. Now he tell him go meet my sister for inside market. Say mona come oh. The boy no put the rice for inside motor. It's like the boy don't come out. He say now big there begin. Now he can't tell the girl say when I have phone, may they take call the boy. The next thing, my sister said the boy say the phone he give the boy. My sister phone plus the girlfriend phone, the boy add down, carry am comot with the 4 bag of rice with the groundnut oil. The boy disappear for market. The alert wey the transfer wey do give them for market all fake. Na my sister take on yesterday. Abeg brother sister say all this 419 na different thing na they manipulate. They go follow them. Make they tell you una wey they carry contract. They go carry my sister for shop o. Oteme makpuro no sugbiyan. You no go knock for their door. Udoviri. My sister phone as they we call the number reach up till now. Phone switch off. We not see phone again. Nothing. Abeg, Mona help me share this video because this thing will come dey happen because many people they don't want to use maker. If I see all those young boys when they go just naked begin they mad, I know they sorry for them because now wetin they shoe can't put. Imagine all those people when follow 4 bag of rice, 4 gallon of groundnut oil now. When you do fake alert, my sister say they run for market because all those people for whole day. Abeg, may we wise may we wise because the way they content they do now. If they don't follow this outcome, they go follow this outcome. My brother, my sister, for the way they carry contract, Mona they open na hair where. Me not come be like say the contract where you go carry now, you will come lost join because my sister now my asset of 150,000. It is no, you not see phone again. He come my store yesterday, I come the pity and say my sister says even the girl will even connect her, the two of them, the boy just I know me no know the thing say happen. When my sister come they give the story, I beg. I beg my brother, my sister, all those who know whether they do transfer, they give. In fact, find the details of the alert. Make sure say you see am. Make sure say you see the alert before the person come out. Make sure you hear. Or no, your kukuma collect alert. You say no, give me my money for cash. I need my money. I need that for my hand. I beg, be wise. Be wise because the thing shocked me since yesterday. I not sleep. The thing shocked me because the way the boy take doing, I know God of Israel. I beg God this for one and they draw the map before they come up for us. Imagine the cabman way carry for 7 o'clock in the morning. That boy said the cabman said first for carrying. Come reach that evening. The cabman not pay. My sister phone he carry. My girlfriend phone he carry. Join her. Plus the rice, groundnut oil. Till today we don't see the boy again. Nowhere to find the boy go. The girl will connect my sister say no the boy ask. Boy where you the friend? Boy where you the friend? You say you don't know the boy ask. Now you can't carry my sister follow body join her. Now na phone now you don't see her. But what I take thank God say my sister not carry a POS bag. He not carry a bag of money. As soon as he carry the bag of money, maybe everything go for lost. But I know say one day for the thief. One day for the owner. You think say you don't carry the thing, you they happy they go. But you will wait. My God go answer. That boy, anywhere you day, you go see what go happen to you. Now madness they'll tell no you. I beg brother, sister, I'm gonna share this video. I beg. I they use God Almighty, they beg una. All these 419, they're not too far from us. They're not too far from Muna. They're close. Muna wise, Muna open eye. I beg my brother, my sister. Now me, your daughter. Now me, your sister. Now me, your friend. Madali Osadolo Jimo, a.k.a. the light of the world. Now I can give you this information. Waiting, I see yesterday, 5 o'clock.
I beg, help us share this video. If you never subscribe to Dan ARG YouTube, try make you subscribe so that make you for the hear all the things where they happen for Edo State. Make I leave you now with this video. Make you help us share them. Thank you for watching Dan ARG YouTube.